Welcome to DisputeFox. Let's explore how to set up the PayPal payment gateway. Begin by navigating to the Settings dashboard. Once here, proceed to the Billing section where you can manage your payment gateway settings. In the Payment Gateway tab, click on the Add Payment Gateway button to get started. Give your payment gateway a user-friendly display name. In the Processor Name field, choose PayPal Payments from the drop-down list, now available as one of your payment options. Now, to get the API ID, transaction key, and merchant ID, let's log into the PayPal account. Once logged in, navigate to the Developer section. First, make sure to set the sandbox to live mode. In the Apps and Credentials, generate new credentials by clicking on Create App if you haven't already done so. I have created one such. Note down the client ID and secret key as you will require them later. The client ID will be your API ID in DisputeFox, and the secret key will be the transaction key. Now, navigate to the Business dashboard to get the merchant ID. Proceed to the Account Settings. In the Business Information section, you can find the merchant ID. Note it down. As we have the necessary credentials, let's return to DisputeFox. Copy and paste the client ID from PayPal into the API ID field. Similarly, input the secret key as the transaction key and paste the merchant ID you copied. Once done, set the status in active mode and click on the Submit. The PayPal payment gateway has been successfully configured with DisputeFox. When utilizing a PayPal payment gateway to process client payments, it's essential to understand that the auto-charge functionality will not be operational. Following the creation of the invoice, you'll need to manually charge the client by clicking the PayPal button. Alternatively, clients have the option to process the payment through their dedicated client dashboard.